Hello, Zona. Welcome back. Take a ride with me as we travel through the West Valley's most popular secret, the White Tank Mountains. Right after you enter the park, we come up to Area 1. You'll see the sign on the right-hand side here. This is the parking lot for South Trail. Just a short walk onto the South Trail, there's that specific turnoff where Mule Deer branches off. So the entrance we just passed, that's the starting point. It'll also combine with Goat Camp Trail, so you can actually walk to both of those at the same time. Next, we're coming up to Area 3. Now, the beauty about the White Tanks is they offer a lot of day use areas. So here we have ramadas. There's several ramadas you could choose from for the day. Plan a picnic, have a little party, just relax. It's pretty nice. Now, pretty quickly after that is Area 4. Another set of ramadas, huge, lots of ramadas for day use, even fire pits, so you can stay here late in the evening. It's also the trailhead to Black Rock Loop Trailhead. Another beautiful small trail you could hit any time of day. Up north, check out the Windmill Trailhead. It's your key access point toward the Big Maricopa Trail. Coming up is the main access to the park's most popular hike, the Waterfall Trail. It's an easy, partly paved walk leading directly to incredible ancient hieroglyphs. Now, if you're thinking about staying right inside the White Tanks, Willow Campground is the main developed area for that. They offer well-spaced sites for both tents and RVs, usually equipped with a picnic table and a fire ring. Some even have hammock stands. It's perfect for enjoying the desert sunset, starry nights, and getting an early start on those trails. Definitely remember to book your spot online in advance, as the reservations are required and it's quite popular. One of the really convenient things about visiting the White Tanks is the number of day use areas. They're spaced out along the main road and offer great parking, beautiful clean restrooms, and access points to different parts of the park. Now, if you're planning a bigger event or family gathering, you'll find some excellent large reservable ramadas that are perfect for any group. These areas are available and can be rented out almost any time. They're great. They offer a great facility and right off the trail, so you can, have a little party and do a little day hike. Who knows? Maybe you're adventurous and do some things like that. Now, if you're not really big into trails, but you want to come out here and enjoy the fun, here on the left, there's a large playground for these younger kids. And just to loop back to one of the absolute highlights for many of the visitors, remember we talked about the famous Waterfall Trail? Well, we just passed it on the right-hand side. It was there, so you can loop right back around to it following this road. Now, coming up next, we'll see the sign for the family campground. On the left-hand side is a huge RV parking area. Man, if you got an RV, you can camp here for time on time. Now, really close to the family campground is a huge group campground. If you got an RV and you got a party, you got some friends with RVs, you can make a good party happen. For our last stop on this tour of the White Tanks, We're headed north to something geared towards speed and endurance, the competitive track, often called the Sonoran Loop Competitive Track. This area isn't your average leisurely hiking path. It's specifically designed for organized events like mountain bike races and trail runs, offering about 10 miles of multiple loops and variable terrain. Some fast and flowing, some quite technical and challenging, especially designed for skill building and speed. There's a dedicated staging area here to support events. Now, while it's built for races, the track is generally open for the public use, so bikers, runners, even hikers looking for a different experience can use it whenever events aren't happening. It's always best to check the park schedule beforehand, as races or events do take priority here. But if you're looking for a high energy recreation, training, or just some faster paced trails, the competitive track offers the dynamic content and other fantastic areas you've explored today in the White Tanks. And that's a wrap for our journey through the incredible White Tank Regional Park. What a gem! We have moments from Surprise, Arizona. I really hope this video inspires you to come out and explore this wonderful park for yourself. If you enjoyed our tour today, please hit the thumbs up button. It makes a huge difference for us here at ZCNH. And of course, if you want to join us on more adventures like this, make sure you're subscribed. We'd love to hear your comments. Maybe your favorite memory of the White Tanks if you've been there already. Either way, get outside, connect with nature, make some memories, and explore safely. This is Nick with ZCNH. Thanking you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next adventure.